This is Morgan here from Fletcher Trading. Today I'm going to be introducing our new Elder algorithm trading system that utilizes 3 indicators that you can download from our website now. If you want to stay up to date with trades that we're currently taking and our daily analysis, then head over to our Telegram group. The link for that will be in the description below. So our first indicator is called the trend trader. This is going to allow us to establish the trend on the 1 and 4 hour time frames. This can be used on virtually any pair. As we can see here, this is US dollar to the Japanese yen. In a downtrend like this, we'd only be taking sell positions on the lower time frames. And in an uptrend here, we'd be looking for buy positions on the 15-minute time frame or 5-minute time frame. And then this is the pound to the US dollar. You can see here this also has really good results. So we're currently on the Nasdaq 100. This has performed really well over the last few months as it tends to stay in a trend for a long period of time. When using this system, we like to seek out a market that is trending. So once we've established the trend, we'll jump down to the 15-minute time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, we have the daily pivot points and we have the Elder algorithm itself. The daily pivot points is a form of support and resistance and is perfect for setting your stop loss and take profit. So when using this system, what we'll also implement here is a confirmation tool. So what we used is the stochastic oscillator. We'll usually use the settings 10, 3, and 3. Click OK, and we get the indicator here. So when using this system, we want to wait for the signals to appear, and then we're going to wait for confirmation using the stochastic oscillator. What I mean by that is we're going to wait for it to pass back above 20 before entering. As you can see here, we would enter somewhere around here after getting our signals. So once we've entered the position, we use the daily pivot points for our stop loss and take profit. So this lines up perfect here as we have our support level at around 57 pips away, and then we have our take profit at around 95 pips away. If your stop loss is too far away, maybe 100 pips or more, then we would use a previous low. So when we enter a downtrend on the 4-hour chart, we're then going to look for sell positions. So what we're looking for here is a pullback in the market to the 200 exponential moving average. So when we get our pullback, we'll get a signal from the Elder algorithm, and then we're going to look for confirmation using the stochastic oscillator. So since we're looking for sell positions now, we're going to wait for it to pass back below 80 to confirm our entry. And that'll be somewhere around here. So if we were to enter this position here, we would set our take profit to a support level using the daily pivot points or a recent low. And then we would set our stop loss to a resistance level or a recent high. If you want to get your hands on this software, then you can head over to the website fletchertrading.co.uk.